សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នាជួបគ្នាម្ដងទៀតហើយជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំបាទ SN Gaming ហើយថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំមកលេងហ្គេមថ្មីមួយមានឈ្មោះថា Genshin Impact ពិតហ្គេមហ្នឹងខ្ញុំគិតថាអ្នកគ្នាប្រហែលជាស្គាល់ច្រើនព្រោះហ្គេមហ្នឹងគឺមិនមែនទុំចេញទៅចេញយូរដែរហើយនិយាយទៅវាជាហ្គេមថ្មីដោយសារតែខ្ញុំទុំលេងអញ្ចឹងពីមុនធ្លាប់លេងណាគាត់ថាលេងអត់បានល្អៗទេដូចថាសាច់រឿងអីខ្ញុំមិនសូវដឹងអញ្ចឹងតែរឿងនេះគឺយើងលេងយើងផ្ដោតលើសាច់រឿងហ្មងគឺចាប់ដើមលេងជា story mode ពីដើម game ហ្នឹងទៅមកអូខេជាងកុំឲ្យខាត់ពេលយូរយើងចូលមកដល់សាច់ game ហ្មងទៅខ្ញុំចាប់ដើមចុច start ហើយ
So what you're trying to say is that you fell here from another world? But when you wanted to leave and go on to the next world, your path was blocked by some unknown god?
Outlanders, your journey ends here. Who are you? The sustainer of heavenly principles. The arrogation of mankind ends now.
Ok, cái này đi gọi là tụi anh lên tụi ông pro rồi sấy chẳng cái này mình đấy cứ dân pi này đấy cứ thường là xong play một mùi chẳng hạn đấy dân tra ban pre mùi nó cứ bay cạn lời dân nào dân tới bữa tối nào thì được ok chắc em vô tụi ông pro nhớ gì làm hết vậy múa cái ice space cái bên này đấy
Lumin!
Oh, this one Lumin.
Wait! Don't go! Give my sister back! And some kind of seal was cast upon me, and I lost my power. We used to travel from world to world. We are now trapped here.
Chẳng tụi ông giờ nó cứ phơm nạp muối á hay đợt về miền preh mùi thay chập ôn xây còn tới nó cứ thôi có nắm bạc bằng temple hay chọc nơiក្នុងភពមួយនេះភពឥឡូវហ្នឹង
How many years ago was it? I don't know. But I intend to find out. When I woke, I was all alone until I met you 2 months ago.
Yeah, Paimon really owes you for that. Otherwise, Paimon likely would have drowned. So Paimon will do her best to be a great guide. We should head off. Let's get going.
Ok, chẳng tụi ông giờ nó cứ bàn về hàng ngợp máu cứ tại hai bàn chuột hai món ý vì khai môn hay theo hai món nâng cái ta rạp hàng trăm cái thơ nhẹ lòng tao ấy chứ ok chẳng nhưng đã tem hai món cho nên nhìn tình nè trong cái đám cái thiết san bên đây này này game sờ lánh trong đang muốn đi chắc bay bị chẹo này ngủ này click to attack mà nó dân bay slam nhưng tập hai mình Back to teleport នេះអងតែនយើង teleport ទៅណាទៀតfollow the minimap destination អូខេនេះបើក map គេ map យកតើមានអីទេទៅទេណាល់ឡើយអូខេមក slam sprint នេះ sprint ទៅមុខនេះទៅមុខ
The path ends here. Guess we'll just have to climb.
គឺ
Climbing
យើងឡើង
depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover. Okay, let's take the route we planned. We're off to a statue of the seven.
យើងទៅ
Which of the seven are you looking for exactly?
រូបសំណាក of the seven នេះ
Oh, wow.
អូខេចូល cutscene ទៅហើយ
That's a statue of the seven.
អូខេនេះជារូបចម្លាក់ of the seven នេះ
There are a few of these statues scattered across the land to show the seven's protection over the world.
តែមានរូបចម្លាក់នឹងផ្សេងៗនៅគ្រប់ដែនដីដែលវាជួយការពារពិភពលោកនេះចឹង
Among the seven gods, this god controls the wind.
ចឹងក្នុងចំណោមព្រះទាំង7ព្រះនេះគឺជាព្រះដែលគ្រប់គ្រងខ្យល់
Paimon's not sure whether the god you're looking for is the animal god, but
ចឹងគេថាយើងផៃមុនហ្នឹងគេថាអត់ច្បាស់ហើយយើងរកព្រះមួយនេះទេតែគាត់ថាយើងនឹងមកព្រះទីខ្យល់សិន
Paimon will take you to the animal god's place first, and there's the reason why.
អូខេត្រូវគឺគាត់មកជួបព្រះខ្យល់មុន The Outlander who catch the wind.
As we all know, poetry and language flow like the wind. There'll definitely be someone there who knows about your sister. At least that's what Paimon thinks. Whether the gods actually answer you is a different story. You never know unless you try. So let's hop to it.
Okay, មើលទៅភាពបានគឺច្បាស់តិចអូហ្គេមនេះតាម game free ទេតែកប់សេរី
You can swim right over.
ឲ្យយើងហែទឹកទៅមានតែស្ដូយចេញមកស្ដាំដើម្បីហែលឿន គាត់ដើរទៅធីកចោលចូលខ្លួនយើងអូខេបាក់ម៉ែមួយចាំមើលតាមក្រោយ
Ooh, did you just feel the elements of the world?
យើងមានអារម្មណ៍ធាតុនៃពិភពលោកទាំងហ្នឹង
Seems all you had to do was just touch the statue and you got the power of animal. As much as they may want it, people in this world can never get a hold of powers as easily as you.
ចឹងថាយើងក៏ដើរទៅហ្នឹងយើងបានធីបខ្យល់ហ្មងហើយគេថាទោះជាមនុស្សដែលចង់បានហ្នឹងក៏មិនប្រកាសថាអាចបានដូចយើងស្រួលចឹងដែរចឹងថា I think ខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំដឹងព្រោះ
It's because you're not from this world to begin with.
ព្រោះយើងមិនជាមនុស្សនៅពិភពលោកហ្នឹង
If we keep heading west from here, we'll eventually reach Mondstadt, the city of freedom.
អូខេ
Mondstadt is the city of wind because they worship the god of Anemo. So perhaps because you got power from the god of Anemo, you can find some clues there. There are also lots of bards there, so perhaps one of them has heard news of your sister.
ចឹងគេថាថាយើងបានធាតុខ្យល់ចឹងយើងអាចទៅរកមើលនៅទីក្រុង Mondstadt មួយគេថាទីក្រុងនៃសេរីភាពអាចមានតម្រុយប្អូនស្រីយើងតែគេថាមានបានអានឹងច្រើនតែយើងអាចទៅសើមដាក់បាន
Let's move then.
តោះទៅ
The elements in this world responded to your prayers, and Paimon thinks that's a lovely sign.
គេថាព្រះហ្នឹងអាចចូលចិត្តយើងឲ្យទីខ្យល់មកយើងអូខេ E អ E បាញ់ទីខ្យល់មិនគេឲ្យចិត្តជាមួយហូលពុតកាអូខេយើងឲ្យនេះឲ្យហូលម្ដងហូល E អូខេ 2 class អានេះ RT
With the wind!
These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven. Oh, Paimon's so jealous. Why doesn't Paimon get cool fighting powers?
ចំណែនយើងបានកម្មពលពីព្រះឥឡូវយើងធ្វើដំណើរទៅទៀត Escape Call the Paimon Done view Escape Call the Paimon នេះបាត់មើល menu អីអូយមាន slap ដល់ slap ស្អីអូអានេះចាំតាមទៅក្រោយ លេខ L លេខ L លេខ L មកអាចចុចបានអូខេគេយល់ទៅយើងទៅទីក្រុងហើយចាំវៀតណាមក្រោយអត់ទៅមក
There's something huge in the sky. It's headed towards the heart of the forest. We must proceed with caution.
ជាបេះដូងនៃព្រៃមែនទៅយល់ដែរ chỉ cầm bệnh rồi áo bột quay bột quay chị bị đấy ôi
Look at that!
nhưng mà ấy cảm thấy niệm mấy nhỉ
Don't be afraid.
đen tính
It's all right now. I'm back.
công khai cả đây
Is he talking to a dragon?
sai kìa
Who's there?
hơi rồi cho mấy rốt bát rồi cho mình xoay mình nhảy kì
That was close. Paimon almost got blown away.
chết bỏ
Luckily,
Paimon
Paimon managed to
hỏa
grab hold of your hair. Thanks.
chặt sợi dương ok good seeing you there cool my hair off
Just what was that? Paimon thought we were gonna get eaten.
nó đăng được nè tao bạn mua ngọt mày
It definitely has something to do with that weirdo who was talking to the dragon.
he's talking to dragon no more vậy thì thằng này
Of course not.
ở đi
Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shiny red thingy on the big rock over there.
ភ្លឺភ្លឺ
Let's go take a closer look.
អូខេចូលទៅមើល
Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this.
អត់សូវមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អហើយយើងទៅមើលទៅ Crimson Crystal អត់ដឹងដែរ
Paimon's never seen a stone like this before, so Paimon can't tell what it is.
អត់ស្គាល់ដែរ
All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now.
តែវាអាចគ្រោះថ្នាក់យើង
Okay, we've got it. Now let's get out of here.
អូខេតោះមានតែទៀតតែមិនយកតុកអីតែយើងយកតុកហើយបោះចោលតែគ្រោះថ្នាក់មួយថ្ងៃយកតុកវារ៉ៃដល់ណៃយ៉ាង
Hey, you! Stop right there!
ចុះនេះសក់ដូចសាយចង់បោទៅឃើញដូចសាយតែជា
May the Animo God protect you, stranger.
អ្នកគ្នាមិញដោយសារតែលេងសុកកុំព្យូទ័រខ្ញុំនឹងមិនហ្គេមវាអត់ឮសលេងចឹងណាតែខ្ញុំចាញ់វិញខ្ញុំចូលម្ដងទៀតវាតឲ្យឡើងដែរគាត់ថាមិនវាយប់ចឹងណាតែឥឡូវយើងតសាច់រឿងខ្ញុំមកចឹងតែនិយាយមកដែរ
May the Animo God protect you, stranger.
សួរប្រែខ្ញុំជួយអ្នក
I am Amber, outrider for the Knights of Favonius.
អូខេគាត់ជា Nice ជាកងតបការពារពូនី
You don't look like citizens of Mondstadt. Explain yourselves.
ថាយើងហ្នឹងអត់សូវដូចជាជនហ្នឹងហើយយើងហ្នឹងបញ្យល់ខ្លួនឯង
Well, we're not looking for trouble.
អូខេយើងមិនចង់បង្ករឿងទេ
That's what all the troublemakers say.
អ្នកចង់បង្ករឿងយីទីចឹងសួស្ដី
Doesn't sound like a local name to me.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ SN Gaming ថាដូចមិនឈ្មោះនេះ
And this
Nani.
mascot. What's the deal with it?
Paimon a mascot
I mean, we've only been traveling partners for 2 months, but we've already become the very best of friends.
យើង best friend គ្នា
So to sum it up, you're traveling partners, right? Well, look, there's been a large dragon sighted around Mondstadt recently. Best you get inside the city as soon as possible.
អានេះនោះតែកាលយើងចូលទី
It's
ក្រុង
not
លឿ
far
ន
from here. I'll escort you there.
អូខេយ៉ាងទៅនាំផ្លូវ
Oh, aren't you out here for some other reason?
I am, but not to worry. I can keep you both safe while doing that too.
ជួយការពារយើងបាត់ពីយើង
I'm still not sure if I can trust you two just yet.
នៅຕົកចិត្តទៀត Why so suspicious មែនសង្ស័យไหม
Oh, I'm sorry. Probably not something I should say as a knight.
ខ្ញុំនេះជាណៃមិនគួរនិយាយចឹងទេ
I give you my apologies, strange yet respectable travelers.
សុំតោះយើង
Sounded so fake.
តែនិយាយមក fake ហ្នឹង
Do you have something against the type of language usage prescribed by the Knights of Favonius Handbook?
ស្អីចាហ្នឹង language of script អត់យល់ទេចាំមើលតាមក្រោយ
Outrider Amber reporting for duty. Just say the word if you ever need my help.
Amber អូខេអូនេះយើងអាចដូរតួអង្គបានហើយអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងបានតួអង្គមិញហ្នឹងឲ្យជា Air មើល Costa បាញ់ Air again but okay
So, suspicious travelers, what
Let's
are you doing in
click.
Mondstadt?
let's
He
click
got separated from his
Hold
sister
on,
during a
just
really,
go
really
chill.
long journey.
មក
Paimon
មក
is his travel buddy, helping him to find his sister.
បានដាវ
Oh, looking for your family? Huh.
រត់ទៅស្ដាប់
Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
ជួយបាត់រក
What
អូន
exactly
ស្រី
is it
យើ
you
ង
need to finish doing first?
It's simple. You'll understand in a bit.
អូខេថាមានកិច្ចការទៅធ្វើ Hellicher ការងារហ្នឹងគឺមកស្លាប់អាហ្នឹងមែនអូខេបាញ់ព្រួញជា
These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp.
អូខេយើងមានភារកិច្ចទៅកម្ចាត់ទីជំរំរបស់អាហ្នឹងតើឥឡូវមកយើងយកកន្លែង teleport សិនចូលដល់លើផងមកក្រៅវិញមើល map យើងអូខេក៏ទៅជំរំនេះបាញ់ឲ្យលើសិនដឺ1 2 Yeah. ប្រើតួអង្គវិញតួអង្គយើងមាន skill យើងមាន skill ពី animal
Wind blade.
អូខេអា skill នេះបូកភ្លើងវាពីចេញវាផ្ទុះអានេះយើងអាច combo skill បាន combo element បាន combo ធាតុមើលអូងំបាត់ហើយ
Nothing to it.
មានអស់ចាទេ
Though I've got to say, you surprised me a little with your moves there.
អូខេទៅសារយើង
Thanks for the backup. How'd it feel?
Barely professor បាញ់ញើ
Now that you mention it, how is it the Hilichurls ended up here?
មិន Hellicher ហ្នឹង
These creatures don't seem like the type to set up camp so close to cities like this.
វាគាត់នៅចិត្ត ទីក្រុងវិញ
Exactly. It's more normal for them to be much further out in the wilderness.
វាគាត់នៅព្រៃឆ្ងាយ
But because the dragon, Storm Terror, has been around a lot more recently, our orchards have been destroyed and the local market has been affected as well.
អូខេអានេះហ្នឹងឈ្មោះថា Storm Terror ហើយវាមកប្រំផ្លាញទីក្រុងច្រឡំទីក្រុងផ្សារអីនៅគៀនហ្នឹងទៅប្រំផ្លាញ
When the storms hit, we usually end up with at least a few injuries, so the Knights of Favonius have been tied up doing the best they can to defend the area.
អូខេហើយពួកណៃហ្នឹងមកការពារជំវិញទីក្រុងហ្នឹងពីសត្វហ្នឹងហើយជួយអ្នកមានរបួសមានអីចឹងដោយសារថានាគហ្នឹងឯងតែធ្វើឲ្យពួក Hellicher ហ្នឹងហ៊ានចូលមកលុកលុយ
So these annoying creatures have been getting closer and closer to the city?
អូខេ
Exactly. That said, clearing this camp helped make the area a little bit safer. Come with me. A responsible knight must make sure to see to the city safely.
អូខេជិះឲ្យមកតាមហ្នឹងចឹងអាពួកហ្នឹងវាមកតាមនេះបាយនេះអត់សិនវាមកតាមមកតាមនាគហ្នឹងយើងនៅធ្វើឲ្យទីក្រុងហ្នឹងវាមានឲ្យឈើឲ្យបីសាវាមកចិត្តទីក្រុងអញ្ចឹងយើងដើរកម្ចាត់វាមិនអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យវាមានសុវត្ថិភាពជាងមុន បាទអីមុនទៅទីក្រុងឲ្យហើយអុយពោះជាបាក់កងមកអូខេយើងរត់លឿនវាអស់តែម្នាក់ Press C to open the treasure stream artifact អូខេនេះយើងបាន artifact ហ្នឹងយើងអាចយកមកដាក់ឲ្យតួអង្គយើងវា boost ពូនេះវ៉ៃចាំមើលពេលក្រោយនេះដល់ខ្វល់ទេពេលនេះទៅដល់ monster
It smells so good!
ខានឈ្ងុយនេះថាអីណាឈ្ងុយគេឈ្មោះ Lin នេះអូខេ Lin ធ្វើអីណា
What should I cook next?
អូខេ
Oh, are you travelers from around here as well?
អូខេខ្ញុំតែជំវិញណា
Be passing by.
ហើយខ្ញុំគាត់ដើរឆ្លងកាត់ណា
Smells good!
ឈ្ងុយខ្ញុំចូលមកទេ
I see. Welcome, travelers. I'm Lynn, the survival expert of the Adventurers Guild. As you can see, I'm experimenting with some new recipes.
អូខេគាត់ពងធ្វើ
Eat
ហូប
before you
ថ្មី
go. The first rule in the Wilderness Survival Guide.
គេមានពាក្យស្លោកមួយញ៉ាំមុននឹងធ្វើនឹងទៅញ៉ាំមុនធ្វើអីទាំងអស់ចឹងជាច្បាប់មួយនឹងក្នុងការ survival
Oh, Paimon just loves picnics.
អូខេមិនចេញ picnic វិញ
My travel partner here is good at cooking as well.
ចាំយើងចេះធ្វើម្ហូបទៀតចាក់បដោអីចឹងអត់ទេយើងចេះ
That's okay.
So,
Let's
like,
see what you
we-
can do. You won't get a lot of chances like this to learn from a survival expert.
តែ survival expert
There are some mushrooms and meat in the barrel over there. Try making a chicken mushroom skewer for me.
គេឲ្យធ្វើម្ហូបស្គី chicken mushroom skewer ដោតអីដោតចកែសិតដោតចកែមន់សិតធ្វើស្អីមន់នឹងសិត
I'm a survival expert of the Adventurers Guild.
ឲ្យដឹង
Nice to meet you.
chicken skewer អូខេដោត chicken mushroom skewer គេត្រូវមន់ផ្សិតដោតចកែចាប់ដើមខុក manually perfect អូខេកុកមួយទៀតមកចុចឲ្យត្រូវអាលឿងអត់អូខេខ្ញុំខុកហើយអ៊ីលីនយក
Is it done? Mmm. Smells good.
អូខេ
Let me try.
ចាញ់អត់
Uh-oh.
Now that's really tasty. You're indeed gifted.
Paimon told you so.
ឆ្ងាញ់ទេណា
With your culinary skills, you should try more difficult dishes. Oh, I've got some raw ingredients in my bag. Have them in return for this meal.
Can we really have them? Won't you run out of ingredients?
That's okay. You should be able to find lots of ingredients when exploring the wilderness. Don't forget to look carefully. There's also a restaurant in Mondstadt known as Good Hunter that sells food and ingredients. Go have a look when you've got the time.
អូខេ
Okay, thank you for the info. Hey, leave some chicken mushroom skewers for Paimon.
ចង់ស៊ីដែរអូខេនេះអូគេឲ្យផ្សិតឲ្យអីយើងខ្លះមិញគេឲ្យគ្រឿងផ្សំយើងខ្លះអញ្ចឹងយើងរៀនធ្វើម្ហូបមួយមុខទៀតហើយសាកធ្វើបានអូខ្ញុំអត់តាន់ start ដូរគេឲ្យដើរទៅថាដើរទៅអាចធ្វើម្ហូបច្រើនធីមីហើយយើងទៅទីក្រុងសិនតែតាន់ខ្វល់អូយស្គៀបាញ់ចាក់នៅស្ទើក្រុង Mondstadt
Welcome to Mondstadt.
ទីក្រុងគេស្អាតមែនតើអ្នកនេះលយមករុងរឿងនេះព្រះនៃខ្យល់ទីក្រុងគេមកប៉ែកឡែ
Let me officially introduce the city of wind, dandelions, and freedom.
អូខេទីក្រុងនៃដែលឡៃអត់ហើយសេរីភាព
Travelers under the protection of the Knights of Favonius, welcome to Mondstadt.
អូខេសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Mondstadt
Finally, no more having to camp outdoors.
អូខេយើងមកចាំនៅក្រៅក្រុងទៀត
The city folk don't look too cheery.
Cherry ខ្ញុំមិនដឹងអា Cherry ហ្នឹងមិនដឹង
Everyone's been put out of place by storm terror recently. But everything will turn out fine as long as Jean's with us.
អូខេយើងស្គាល់តួអង្គម្នាក់ទៀតហើយជីនតែដឹងណាគេទេ
Jean?
Acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius, Jean, Defender of Mondstadt.
អូខេជីននឹងជា Defender of Mondstadt ជាមេគេហ្មង Grandmaster
With Jean on our side, surely even the vicious storm terror will be no match for us.
យើងហាមានជីននៅហ្នឹងស្បែកនៀកហ្នឹងក៏ធ្វើអត់កើតដែរអូខេ sound
Before
pretty
I take
impressive
you guys to the Knights of Favonius headquarters, I have a present for you, traveler. It's a reward for helping me
Cadol,
clear out
yeah.
that Hilitril camp.
អូខេ
Hey, why doesn't Paimon get a reward?
I mean ខ្ញុំមកឡើងកដោដែរចឹង
Because this reward is useless to you, Paimon. But I'll treat you to a traditional Mondstadt delicacy, sticky honey roast.
Sticky honey roast!
អូខេលើចំណីអាហារសប្បាយចិត្តដែរ Paimon
Come with me. We'll head to the city's, high ground.
ទៅ high ground ចឹងគេឲ្យកដោអីគេយើងអត់ដឹងទេចាំមើលទាំងអស់គ្នា click J ទៅ open menu J open menu navigate អូខេអ្នកគ្នាចឹងគឺយើងបន្តដំណើរទៅណាទៀតនេះទៅយកកដោពីផ្លេចប្រេះ Amber អូខេចឹងយើងនឹងទៅយកកដោពី Amber ទៀតប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំសូមបញ្ចប់ game ត្រឹម
I
ហ្នឹង
feel
សិន
like right
ជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយហើយកុំភ្លេចជួយ subscribe ឲ្យខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយផងហើយបើមានជាការ feedback ឬក៏ចង់ recommend អីជួយ list នៅ comment ខាងក្រោមផងដោយសារតែខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងអញ្ចឹងដោយសារតែវីដេអូលើកទី1អញ្ចឹងខ្លាចធ្វើអត់បានល្អទេអញ្ចឹងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯង Goodbye អ្នកនរគ្នា See you next time Bye bye